Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITBut143. You are watching Microsoft Office Excel 2007 tutorials. In this tutorial, I will show you how to skip blank cells in Microsoft Office Excel 2007. Let's assume we are working on an Excel file, and after working for a while, we got specific information including blank cells from our client, and to paste this into the current record. Normally, if we copy the data cells which contain the blank cells and paste them into original file, blank cells also pasted as well, and the original data will be overwritten. Open Excel 2007. Here I have two files with some data having same columns, but one of the file has only few of fields filled in. If we use simple copy and paste, then the data will be pasted and the blank cells also overwrite the data in source file. So to resolve this, Microsoft Excel has a built-in feature which will copy a block of cells and only paste the cells that contain the data. Again, select the data, right click and copy the data. After this, click in the cell where we want to paste this. Right click, select to paste special. In paste special dialog box, select skip blanks, click OK. Then the data successfully pasted only into the blank cells without overwriting the other data in source file. Similarly, I have another example including the formattings. Let's use same procedure. Select the data, right click, copy, click in the cell, right click, come to paste special. In this, please select skip blanks. OK. Notice that it will paste the data including the formatting applied to them, but it will not consider the formattings applied in blank cells. And we can also use the same procedure for individual rows or columns. Right click, copy, select the cell, right click, paste special. And notice that it is not considering the formatting applied in blank cells. And on the top we have headers with other background color. Now select the data, right click, copy, paste special, skip blanks. OK. Then it will paste the data including all the formattings applied to them. Like this, we can skip blank cells in Microsoft Office Excel 2007. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITBud143 to watch more latest uploaded videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.